Welcome to HTV7. Cook with HTV7. Love to eat, then learn to cook. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Bismillah. Everyone, so now we are going to make Sooji ka halwa, Semolina Halwa. It's a Makhandi style. So let's see what we needed and how can we cook it. Semolina in 2 cups of milk, as I have taken 2 cups of semolina. So let's soak it for about 6 hours and then we will get back to it. You can soak it for about minimum 2 to 3 hours, but not less than that. Otherwise you won't be able to make a real Makhandi Halwa. So just soak it for about 6 hours. Then we will have a look how it looks like. I've soaked the semolina overnight. Now we will move on to the next step. Now I'm going to make caramel for Makhandi Halwa. So add little bit water. Now I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of sugar. According to recipe, you should use 2 cups of sugar. It depends how much you like. So let it melt. Now I'm going to use 1 cup of clarified butter. According to recipe, you should use 2 cups of butter, but I'm using only 1 cup of clarified butter. It's according to your likeness, how much you like. So I'm just going to use only 1 cup of butter and 1.5 cup of sugar. When the sugar is melted properly, then we will give another 15 seconds to cook on a low heat. Don't use a high flame, otherwise it will burn the sugar. You see how beautiful is the color of this caramel. If you want a good taste, I would suggest you to use the karahi. Don't use any wood spoon or any other silicone spoon as well. can see our caramel is almost done. Now we will add cardamom powder, I'm going to use a little bit more. You can use half teaspoon. From Semolina. So the proper way is to make this halwa. Use your spoon this way. Just cook it for about 20 minutes like this on a low flame. You can add almonds or any other nuts you want to. As you can see, the oil is getting separate, so it's almost ready. We will cook it for another half minute and then we will dish it out. So let's try. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Bismillah. Wow, it's amazing taste. I would say do try this recipe and let me know if you have any kind of questions. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel HTV7. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.